So the nation that is coming together to mark the 100th birth anniversary of India's former Prime Minister and Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee, with senior BJP leaders including NDA ministers Nirmala Sitharaman, Kiran Rijiju, H.D. Kumaraswamy, Jiten Ram Manji, Lalan Singh, Ram Mohan Naidu are all there present at Sadaiv Atal, as the pictures that are now coming in of Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Chandrababu Naidu as well, and leaders also from the NDA, from the allies, who are now part of today's function as they are paying tributes to the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. We are now standing by for the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a message that he has given across, paying his tributes to the late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, as today is the day that is now being remembered as Sadaiv Atal on the 100th birth anniversary, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself has penned few thoughts from his monumental contribution to the nation and how his efforts have also transformed many lives. Many of the leaders there in the government, how they have been highlighting the work and the contribution that has been done by the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Let's in the meantime first talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he goes on to say that today on Atalji's 100th birth anniversary, he penned a few thoughts on his monumental contribution to our nation and how his efforts have transformed many lives. Also coming to that, when it comes to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who has also gone ahead to pay his tributes to the tallest leader of the BJP, where he says that पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री भाजपा के संस्थापक अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के जयंती पर उन्हें सादर नमन करता हूं। अटल जी की विचारधारा के प्रति समर्पण और मूल्य आधारित राजनीति से देश के विकास और सुशासन के नए युग की शुरुआत हुई है और सांस्कृतिक राष्ट्रवाद के कार्य संस्कृति बनाने वाले वाजपेयी जी ने देश की सुरक्षा और जन कल्याण को सदैव सर्वोपरि रखा है। राजनीतिक जीवन में सुचिता और आत्मसंयम से उन्होंने भाजपा को जनप्रिय बनाया है और अटल जी के उस ध्रुव तारे के सम्मान अनंत काल तक देशवासियों को राष्ट्र सेवा के पथ पर दिशा दिखाते रहेंगे. So the pictures that are now coming in from Sadaiv Atal as we are standing by for the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Pragya, who is also joining us live right now. Pragya, as far as the thoughts and the contribution that are now concerned of the former Prime Minister, late Atal Bihari Vajpayee, what does now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has to say remembering the late Atal Bihari Vajpayee?
Well, he has penned few words in praise of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and there are three important points, Amita. First is Atal Bihari Vajpayee has, he was tallest among the tall leaders, and despite being majority of the time he had spent in the opposition, he was loved by everyone. And in fact, he was enough to rattle the opposition, especially Congress party at one point of time. And Prime Minister also took a dig at Congress for calling him a traitor, despite the fact that Atal Bihari Vajpayee had been amicable to everyone, and in fact his policies were for national welfare. So, to say that, and the fact that he created NDA is another point that he has mentioned. According to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the creation of NDA changed and redefined coalition partnership, how it was run in the India, in the country, in our democracy, and how it ran after the creation of NDA. And as you can see today, all the NDA leaders are present here to mark his 100th birth anniversary. There is Chandrababu Naidu, there is Lalan Singh from JDU, there is H.D. Kumaraswamy, there is Jiten Ram Manji, and also Apna Dal is also present here. So all of them are present here. And apart from that, what Prime Minister mentioned is that Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was never to cling on to power. He resigned. He resigned. In fact, he never wanted to take the horse trading way, and his government in fact fell by one vote, despite the fact he had held the moral standards very high in politics. And the third important point that he mentioned is his love for the Constitution and how he abided by the Constitution. And the Prime Minister cited an example where after emergency Atal Bihari Vajpayee merged Jan Sangh with Janata Party, and he said that it must have been a very, very painful decision for Atal Bihari Vajpayee, but he did that to save the constitution. So many points and many qualities that Prime Minister is remembering Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his 100th birth anniversary that the BJP is celebrating, and not just the BJP, a creator of NDA. Now the whole NDA is also celebrating here, and this is why they're all here to mark the life of the man who has changed the Indian politics to many extents.
Absolutely. Pragya, I request you to stay with us. We have a lot of tributes coming in. Like you mentioned, the Prime Minister, the Home Minister also took to social media to give their tributes. And as we're seeing on the screens, the visuals as well of the top NDA leaders who have arrived there to pay their last respects.
पार्टी नेता हो, संसद सदस्य हो, मंत्री हो या प्रधानमंत्री, अटल जी ने प्रत्येक भूमिका में एक आदर्श को प्रतिष्ठित किया। एक कार्यकर्ता के नाते अटल जी के साथ कार्य करने का सौभाग्य मिला। अनेक स्मृतियां आंखों के सामने उभर करके आती हैं। अटल जी की जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में आज देश गुड गवर्नेंस डे, सुशासन दिवस के रूप में मना रहा है। गुड गवर्नेंस का मतलब होता है जब शासन के केंद्र में सत्ता भाव नहीं, सेवा भाव हो। जब साफ नियत से संवेदनशीलता के साथ नीतियों का निर्माण हो, हर हकदार को बिना किसी भेदभाव के उसका पूरा हक मिले। गुड गवर्नेंस का यही सिद्धांत आज हमारी सरकार की पहचान बन गई। हम अपना दायित्व निभाएं, अपने लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करें, यही सुशासन और यही आज का दिवस अटल जी को स्मरण करते हुए हम लोगों का संकल्प होना चाहिए। यही जनता की अपेक्षा है, यही अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी की हम सबको शिक्षा है। अटल जी के जन्मदिन पर मैं उनको प्रणाम करता हूं। मैं समस्त देशवासियों को सुशासन दिवस की भी बधाई देता हूं।
So this was the tribute by the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister has often spoken about Atal Bihari Vajpayee's contribution to making India what it is. He has called him the architect of modern India as well. Pragya continues to stay live with us. Pragya, very politically significant as well at a time when the NDA allies are very crucial for the BJP as well at the center. We're seeing over the last few weeks, the narrative has been around B.R. Ambedkar, around the constitution. Amid that politics that's going on, the centre is also trying to give out a message that it's important to remember the ideals of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, that there may be political differences, but we need to work towards the nation, isn't it?
You're absolutely right, and a strong coalition government is what BJP is also looking at this time. Remember, for 2 terms they had the majority, but now they are in coalition with TDP and JDU, and the opposition has been attacking NDA over the weak links in the government, and they're saying that the coalition BJP has always been under the pressure of the coalition partners, but time and again NDA has come. In fact, I would say TDP and JDU had been very vocal and supportive of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the policies, and this is exactly what they have been saying and iterating ever since this coalition government has been formed. The fact that Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a creator of NDA, and these NDA leaders have been present here, shows how strong NDA is going, irrespective of the onslaught and also the narrative that is being set up by the opposition parties. And these are the opportunities that NDA and BJP takes to showcase its strength and not the weakness when it comes to coalition partnership. And remember when Prime Minister and also JP Nadda, who is BJP chief, said that, coalition not necessarily every time means that it is a weakness. In fact, we have to take everyone on board. There is a better coordination, and for that better coordination, party is doing everything it can in the parliament and outside the parliament. And this is exactly why Mr. JP Nadda will be hosting all the NDA leaders today. There are many crucial issues like ONOE, One Nation, One Election, Waqf Board. There are many important issues and narrative against, BJP being anti-Dalit and using Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah's statement that the narrative that opposition is building. All that plays an important role in certain communities. And now the NDA together wants that it should not go down. The false narrative should not be, the opposition should not be able to channelize that false narrative. And this is exactly what they all will be working on. One policy, one common agenda. Everyone's demands will be fulfilled for the development of their own states, and also the center will help them. And apart from that, nation first policy is what is the agenda of the NDA seems to be right now.
Okay, all right, Pragya, we'll continue coming back to you for those updates, and the message that the government is also trying to send out, tributes also coming in.